can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight.
Hi.
Hello.
So I'm going to do a little tour of the boat, but we're on passage because this is the only time that the boat's clean. So this is the little deck area that we all sit and eat nachos. Nachos. And that's the little sunshade up there. Well, yeah, that's close.
And you can also put some panels on there.
Solar panels we got on there as well. Yeah. So let's have a look at the interior down below.
It's quite big, so
It is a bit wavy and a bit noisy because we've got the engine on.
yeah.
We've got the bunting up for King Charles coronation. So this is the chart table, and where we do the positions.
Yeah. That's already done that
So
too.
he's going to do positions there. And then this is one of the aft cabins, which is Rebecca's bedroom. But they sleep in the same bed, Rebecca
But
and
I'm going to
Bethany.
sleep in my own bed tomorrow night.
So this is this. There's all the storage. That's quite full. And then we've got another aft cabin,
Before you
which
stand on
is
this, I'll move it.
Bethany's bedroom. So we've got quite a big bed,
Yeah.
and then she's got all her storage solutions
Yeah.
around there. We've got a little wardrobe also, and
Here's
then
the map.
that's a map. And then this is the saloon area, which is where at the moment we've got it set up for bedtime. So we're going to do a night passage, aren't we, tonight?
Yeah.
So we've got all the bed down, and then us three will lay there.
And there she is.
That's all storage in there, schooling round there. We've got Marsha in her cage just for now, but she'll come back out soon.
Don't worry.
We've got a TV, which we've only put on once for Mamma Mia since we've been here, haven't we? And then this is the kitchen, but you call this the galley in nautical terms.
This is a little fridge.
So we've got a fridge, which,
Just 2 compartments.
Yeah.
The top way on the
so
bottom.
Bethany, show me the top way. So this is how it originally was, which is really handy for just throwing things in. And then Andy made it so it was a front opening fridge, which is really quite good as well.
One time, the worst bit about this is that one time it was really wavy and I trapped my thumb in it.
Oh yeah, and then one time we didn't put the catch in,
Yeah, and it just flew
and
out.
it flew open and all the contents flew out, so we put that little catch in.
This is the freezer.
This is a freezer, which Andy made as well. Full.
Neon.
You know, that's some ice cream.
Yeah.
These are all the compartments with all the food stuffs in, which we lock down when we're on passage because we don't want everything to fly down.
Yeah, we have to trash them in. Here's the
Oh yeah, great grandma bought us this. So it's a cling film and tin foil and kitchen roll holder, which is really handy, absolutely fantastic. Then we've got all the bowls and the plates and side plates, and we wanted porcelain because eating on plastic plates from living on the boat is not very nice, is it? We didn't mind for weekends away.
Yeah.
Andy made all these. And then when we went on the Royal Britannia in Edinburgh, they had the same concept, didn't they?
They didn't even know as well.
So we wonder if Dad's an ancestor of that builder of that boat. So that's good. And then normally the kettle's here and everything, which we use electric. But we've got, when we're on anchor, which we're going to be doing, we normally put the food in there and then we throw it overboard, don't we, for all the fishies. But we've got a gas hob because we don't use the mains electric when we're travelling. And then this oven's on a gimbal, so it can move. It's not good when it's rocking lots. And then this little bit here is just to protect you, just in case you fall into it while you're cooking.
Yeah.
Sink, all the little storage solutions, and then this is the front cabin, the
This is
V
Mum
berth.
and Dad's.
This is mine and Andy's bedroom. And we've got a wardrobe there. We've got all the storage there. Storage.
And you got a hatch as well.
And we've got a hatch. And then these beds are open.
And you've also got a little step there as well.
A little step for my little legs. And then these open up to basically ram full of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's good.
Let's show the bathroom now.
And then the bathroom, what do we call that in nautical terms, Beth?
I don't know.
You do. Begins with H? Heads.
Heads.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom.
It stinks, so.
Oh, Bethany hasn't got a life jacket on, she just flew it there.
Oh yeah, it is.
This is a new toilet, but it's leaking, but we just need to put a new return valve on. And that's got all storage. All storage up there. So everything has to be stored away when you're on passage, because otherwise it just gets flown about. which is not a good
And
look.
also that little sink turned into a shower. So
Oh
that's
yeah,
good.
so that turns into a little shower. We've got a new head, haven't we?
You can pull it out.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
And then all the water gets going down there, don't it?
You press that button over there
Yeah.
to go.
Cool. And then these are the steps to go up to the
That's also got
the deck. And then what? That's got the engine in. To noise the
Moving
engine.
around.
Yeah. And then what have we got under them steps?
More storage.
Dad's done some more storage underneath there for shoes. And then we've got another storage for the shoes under there as well.
And that's also.
And then that lifts up, doesn't it, with all these goodies
And so
in?
does this.
Yeah.
And that opens as well.
Cool. Anything else?
No.
And that's just up to the deck.
Yeah.